Hello boys and girls. Today in math we're going to be talking about comparing numbers to 10, and we're going to do that by matching up sets. We're going to draw lines to match up the different sets and see which one has more, which one has less, and compare the numbers that way. So you need to get this page out of your packet. We're going to do a couple together, and then you're going to finish up on your practicing on your own, okay? So this is page 4.5 at the top. You can get it out and get your name on there. Right. We're going to practice. We're going to be drawing cube trains today, okay? So it's just going to be cubes in a row to kind of help us match up. So this says to break a cube train into two parts. So we're just going to pretend we have a cube train, and I'm going to break it into two parts. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to have one part with 4 cubes. See if you can draw that on your paper. And then I'm going to have the other part with 6 cubes. Looks like that. I'll give you just a minute to get that drawn. These are what, when I say draw a cube train today, this is what I mean. Just like little cubes linked together so they make a line. Alright, and we're going to compare these by matching them up. So we had 4 up here and 6 down here. We did this when we talked about comparing numbers to 5. We're going to match 1 on top to 1 on bottom. 1 on the top to 1 on the bottom. You pick your pencil up and match these up with me. 1 on top to 1 on bottom. 1 on top to 1 on bottom. And what happened? We ran out on top. We've still got 2 left on bottom. So that means that there are less cubes on top and more cubes on the bottom. Whichever row has some left over, that means that it has more than the other row. And whichever row runs out has less. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be comparing and thinking about which number is more, which number is less by drawing these cube trains. Let's open up to the inside and do a couple more for practice. All right. This says Malia has the red balloons. Andrew has the blue balloons. Who has more? So we're going to draw some cube trains to figure it out. So let's count and see how many Malia has. Put our finger on this first red balloon and let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down here in the red box, we're going to start on this black line and we're going to draw 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to write a 6 on the line. Malia has 6. Give you just a minute to do that. And then we're going to come back up and we're going to count the blue balloons. Let's count those together and see how many Andrew has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to come down in the blue space and we're going to draw a cube train with 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to write a 7 on the line. All right, now we're going to match these up just like we did on the front to compare them. We're going to see which has one left over and has more and which runs out and has less. So we're going to draw a line from 1 cube on the top to 1 on the bottom. Match up the next one. The next one, you do this with me. And what happened? Which one has a cube left over? The bottom. So that tells you that 7 is greater than 6. 7 is greater than 6. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then you're going to do the last ones on your own, okay? Let's look up here by the yellow sun. It says Kyle has 9 tickets. Jared has 7 tickets. Who has fewer tickets? So this time we're looking for who has fewer or who has less. So we're going to use cube trains to model this. So first it says Kyle has 9. So on this top black line, we're going to draw 9 cubes. And write a 9. Give you just a minute to do that on your paper. Okay, and then it said Jared had 7. So we're going to use a cube train to model Jared's 7 tickets by this black line. write a 7. Give you a minute to do that. And then we're going to match them up to compare. Remember, this time we're looking for which is fewer, which is less. So we're going to match them up until we run out. And wherever we run out first is going to be the one that has less. Uh-oh. Which row ran out? 7. Jared has less or fewer tickets than Kyle. All right, you're going to do the bottom one on your own. The problem is right down here where you see the number 3. You can have someone at home read that to you. It says Phil won 8 prizes, so you're going to draw 8. Naomi won 5. You're going to draw 5. You're going to compare them, and you're going to circle the number that is less or fewer. And then on the back, you're going to think about this. You're going to kind of break this apart. It wants to know, are there more blue cubes or more red cubes? So you're going to count the blue cubes and draw how many and write it. Count the red cubes and draw how many and write it. And then you decide which one is more. Are there more blue or more red? Good luck comparing those numbers.